Hey there guys, so if you have issue with your KitchenAid or refrigerator and you're gonna have E2 error, so the E2 error is error with the evaporator fan motor, and it's circulating cold air through the refrigerator and freeze the departments. Now how are you gonna fix this issue? So first unplug it completely, then you want to locate the evaporator fan, and you just want to locate, there are going to be videos on it on how you can locate it. So then remove the rear panel, inspect the fan. So inspect if there are any obstructions, ice buildup or debris that you need to clean out. So then you can also test it with the multimeter, and you can also inspect the wiring. Now when you're gonna do it and when you're gonna finish it, then like try it out again, and if it's not going to work out, then you have to like replace it and buy a new one. So I wanted to make this quick video, and thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.